In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can upload a video to YouTube using the mobile app. So the first thing you want to do is download the YouTube Studio if you have not yet downloaded it. And then you're going to sign in your account. Now from there, everything else is pretty straightforward. So from the app, you're going to look for this little plus icon. Then select a video that you want to upload. I'm just going to select a random video here. You can add your title or caption. Choose your visibility, your audience, add a related video if it's a short that you're uploading, right? So I'm just going to tap one of those. And then you'll proceed to select upload short or upload video in if it's a long form content. And that's basically it. This is not my video and I do not want to publish it. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.